Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step installation of Houdini SideFX 20.5 on macOS. This guide covers everything from downloading, installing, setting up, and activating Houdini, right from the beginning all the way to the end, so that you get a fully working version without any errors. The best part is, this method works on both Intel-based Macs as well as Apple Silicon devices, including the M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5 series. So no matter which Mac you're using, you can follow along easily. I recommend watching this video carefully without skipping, because every step is important. If you miss something, you might run into installation problems, so just relax, follow along slowly, and your setup should work smoothly. This tutorial is made as simple as possible so even a non-techie person can understand it. And if you face any issue at any stage, installation, activation, or running the software, feel free to comment below and I'll try my best to help you. You can also contact us directly for support by scanning the QR code shown in this video. Just scan it with your phone and reach out, no hesitation. So with that said, let's jump straight into the full installation of Houdini SideFX 20.5 on macOS. So that's it, you've now seen the full, step-by-step process to download, install, and activate Houdini SideFX 20.5 on macOS. This method works smoothly on both Intel Macs and Apple Silicon systems, including M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5 models, so no matter what machine you're using, you should now have Houdini running successfully without errors. If your installation worked correctly, let me know in the comments. It really motivates me to create more tutorials like this. And if you ran into any problem during the process, just describe your issue in the comments and I'll reply as soon as possible. You can also reach out directly for support or queries by scanning the QR code shown on the screen. Feel free to contact us anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might need help installing Houdini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope your installation and activation was successful, and I'll see you in the next video.